Are you starting out trading with a mean reversion system and a relatively small account? You could be in real trouble when it comes to commissions with your brokers. In this video, I'm going to talk about why mean reversion with some brokers can be really difficult when you've got a small trading account, so stick around. But before we go any further, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so that you get notified of all of my future videos, because I've got new trading content coming out all the time and I don't want you to miss a thing. So if you've got a small account and you want to trade mean reversion that has small average profit per trade, can you do that with a small account, or do the commissions really basically eat up the profitability of the system? I think is the question. And the answer depends on what broker you're using and what your commission structure is. For example, if you've got a fixed minimum commission, like say you're using ComSec, God forbid, and it's a $25 or $29 per side. I don't know what it is nowadays. Maybe it's 19. Either way, it's expensive. Let's say you're paying $19.95 to buy and $19.95 to sell. It's going to be really hard with a $500 trade size and a $40 round turn commission to break even on a mean reversion system. Because, I mean, let's just work it out, right? $40 as a percentage of 500, it's 8%. So your system has to have an average profit per trade of 8% on average just to break even if you're trading a $500 trade size and you've got a $40 round turn commission. Never going to happen with mean reversion. Okay. So the first thing you can do is shop for a cheaper broker. Shop for a broker that doesn't have a minimum or has a much lower minimum, and look at how much you're actually paying in commission. On Interactive Brokers, you're not paying $19 to buy and $19 to sell for a $500 trade. You know, on Self-Wealth, you're not paying that much. So if you are paying that much, then it's a problem. So in the chat, I can see that someone said that the minimum commission on Australian stocks in IB is $5 on each side. So 1%, like that could be a problem still, right? So you've got to have a look at that. Now, if you've got a $10,000 account and your first system is a mean reversion system, typically on a mean reversion system, you have a higher percent equity per trade than you do on a trend following system, because the win rate on the systems is much higher. So you can probably afford to take, if on a $10,000 account, much bigger trades than $500. In fact, if you look at the Fear Harvester system, the percent equity per trade is much higher than that. I mean, you might be taking $2,000 trades or $2,500 trades on a $10,000 account. Could be, right? So think about, okay, the $500 minimum, do I need to trade that small with this account? If it's a trend following system, yeah, you do, right? Because you need that diversification. If it's a high reliability mean reversion system, you don't. You can trade bigger. You know, just know you're going to have the occasional large loss. It's going to hurt a bit, but you don't need to stick to the minimum of $500.